Время уже почти 3, а мы еще не выехали. Все еще пакуемся.
Так, по степени важности какие важны?
Здравствуйте!
А или стоимость там написана участка. Сейчас увидишь. Внимание по километру. Да, вот там написана стоимость.
Hello guys and welcome to different Russia channel. Finally it's happened and we go on vacations. We are leaving Russia for about 2 weeks. We go abroad. Of course I will be filming as much as possible. So today is the first episode. We leave our town, Fryazino, the small town in Moscow region where we live, and go in the direction of Moscow. In Moscow we will meet with our friend and will continue our trip. We will go by his car. He will be our driver, and we will be just passengers. His car is not as big as our BMW, and I was afraid that there will be some problems with the space because I have too many bags. I took a lot of cameras, a tripod, so a lot of equipment, and I was afraid that there won't be enough place in the car for my bags. So, but finally all was fine, and at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon we left Moscow. Very hot in Moscow, plus 30 approximately it was that day, and a lot of people were trying to leave the city and to go to the countryside. Гриль-кафе на заправке. 3 часа от Москвы.
Солянка у нас была тоже. Все, я понял. У нас без сметаны солянка. А я у вас заказываю. Нет, нет. Все понял. Это какой вообще?
There are many cafes along the road, some rest areas. From time to time we stopped to buy some petrol, and also we stopped 2 or 3 times to drink coffee or just to eat a sandwich. But in general there was nothing to film. The road is not very picturesque. The only thing that you see from your window just many fields and trees. That's all. Not a very picturesque road, and nothing just to tell you about it. Once we stopped in a big cafe, and I had a chance to film the prices for you. I think the food looked very yummy, and there were very many people in the queue. So that cafe definitely was very popular. We were driving by a toll road. I have never filmed a toll road for you. It is called M4 Don. Toll road that goes in the direction of the south. Sochi, Anapa, Gelendzhik. So A lot of cars, of course, because many people are leaving Moscow for holidays. They go to the sea, and that is why sometimes there were traffic jams, even on a toll road. All toll plazas looked rather typical. I filmed several of them. We were driving rather fast without any problems because we had a special device to pay for the road. If you do not have such a device, so then you go to another lines and wait in a queue and pay in cash. We stopped at Lukoil, about 6 hours from Moscow. The big filling station, mini market, a lot of cars. Популярные, наверное.
Едут на курорт.
Думаешь?
Конечно, в южном направлении, Сочи.
А.
Сочи, Крым.
Ростов, Крым, Краснодар.
Как удобно, когда машины низкие. The highway M4 Don, M4 Don. That is the direction of Sochi, for example. So a lot of people go into the sea. We are not far from Voronezh. О, тут у них даже этот,
Поверните направо.
Так, ну все, пока я отключаю, да?
So guys, that is all for today, the end of the first episode. Please subscribe to the channel if you would like to follow our trip. There will be many episodes and we will meet with you, I think, tomorrow. So for the moment that is all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you soon. Пока.